We're here at Martin Family Farms, Mr. Jeffrey Martin, right here below Goldston, North Carolina, just south of Siler City. Gonna be one load of these black steers, all home raised. It's just a very, very fancy set of all black, a few black body steers. These cattle are weaned well over 100 days. They're double vaccinated. They're running on grass. Just a little bit of feed, coming to a few bags of feed every other day. These calves are predominantly out of Yon Family Farm Angus bulls. These cattle will be predominantly straight Angus. Might have just a little bit of Continental way back in them. Won't be but maybe 10 or 15%. But just a fancy medium frame grass flesh steers. All home raised. All black or black bodies. These cattle will be weighed on the farm on certified scales, 2% shrink, $8 top side. Again, these calves are just coming off grass, just a little bit of feed, been weaned well over 100 days. You can see one or two has a spotted ringworm. And just a good fancy set of home raised, predominantly Angus steers coming from Martin Family Farm, Mr. Jeffrey Martin, to be sold on the February max sale. These steers will be ready to go to either feed or grass. Cattle are docile. 2 rounds of vaccines. Cattle have not been implanted.